Hey guys, I'm Laurel and this is my 2001 Excursion. We have all this stuff and we've got to fit it in there. We have stuff for my competitions, so all my gear, my rifles. We have a fridge to keep all my food and snacks cold because I love to eat. We have not one but 3 first aid kits, all my dog gear because I always travel with him. We have a safe to go in the front seat to hold things. And then we have some more gear. I have Rick, the expert organizer, here to help me.
I'm super excited because this truck is awesome. All right, so one of the reasons this truck is awesome is this floor material is actually carpet that will take Velcro. A lot of new vehicles have like a lower nap or it's more of like a spacer mesh, but this stuff holds our Velcro pouches perfectly and there's so much real estate. So we're gonna give Laurel kind of like some options to dial this in later of what she needs to carry. But for example, there's 4 4x12 pouches right there when you open the back door. And we've got a whole other door over here. Laurel, you were talking about like you use this thing all the time, your cleaning kit, right?
Yep.
For matches. So I think we just give it a spot right here.
Perfect.
Next to that nice logo. And I think this door makes more sense because this one opens first. Then speaking of like easy access, let's do your first aid kit here. That way, if you need anything, you can just tell people open the back door, boom, it's there. One of these guys can go on top of that. Awesome.
We do have a Visor Organizer in here to hold my registration and important papers because my worst fear is getting pulled over and not knowing where these are. So that's why I got this, and to hold all my nifty sunglasses that I wear constantly. Ta-da!
All right, so I know you wanted some seat back panels, and as cool as these like early 2000 Fords are, one of the problems is there is no headrest. It's like all molded in, but we've ran into this before. People have asked us to do this. All we did was just bar tack a extension around.
Okay.
It gives you just enough webbing to click this guy in, then kind of dial in your fit. Yeah, keep the buckle over on the side, and then if you'll go around front, grab this. Kind of. So Laurel travels a lot with her dog. She's got a lot of gear for her job. So we were really just putting some GP pouches in here for her to find a purpose for them later. Things that she needs when she gets in and out of the truck. And these are kind of nice because they're, not super big, so they don't just become like a junk drawer. So you can give them some dedicated purpose. We got a small here, and then actually our medium fire extinguisher with that flex seal and road flares right here. Your attic has an absolute ton of room for whatever you need. So like puffy jacket, just toss it up there and you're good to go.
All right, I got this safe from Horny. It's one of their smaller ones they came out with, and I think I have an idea of where it might go, or at least in my head, but let's see if it actually fits. It actually fits pretty well.
We wanted to have some access for like things you use a lot. So we're actually gonna stick 2 of our medium Velcro pouches right here. And we have this sticky loop material, peel it off, stick it to the pouches, and then get this other guy up here. Yep. So then she can put hydration, powders, whatever, utensils on the front of the fridge.
All right, Mac, my dog, is an absolute addict about these toys. So they have to be put up somewhere, otherwise he'll tear them apart. So I have this little pouch here. We're gonna put them in there and then just Velcro them to the seat. The stuff in this bag, I don't necessarily need it day to day. I just take it to the range with me. So I don't need a specific spot in the truck for it. As long as it's in this big duffel and I can just take it to the range, that's all I really need for this stuff. All right, so we got all that stuff put into little old Respucia. We have stuff for my competitions, stuff to eat for the fridge. We have the dog equipment. We have everything I need for competitions day to day. Literally my life is in that truck right now. Thanks for watching. You can follow us on Blue Ridge Overland Gear and Long Range Laurel.